In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webex Meeting. Webex is a powerful tool for online meetings and collaboration. Let's dive into the steps to get started. First, launch Webex. You can do this by locating the Webex application on your computer or device. Once you find it, click to open. The screen will display the main interface of Webex, which is user-friendly and intuitive. You will see options for starting or joining meetings. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all your upcoming interactions within the platform. Remember, having the app ready ensures a smooth start to your meeting. Next, within Meetings, click Start. After launching the application, you will see various options. One of them will allow you to start a meeting right away. When you click this, Webex prepares your virtual room for participants. This action is important because it ensures you are in control of the meeting environment. You will see a loading screen, and then you'll be taken to the meeting setup phase. Now, click Start a Meeting. This is where you can customize your meeting settings before participants join. You will see options for video and audio settings. Adjusting these settings is key to ensuring everyone can hear and see you clearly during the meeting. You will notice a confirmation that the meeting is starting, which gives you peace of mind that everything is on track. Once you are inside the call, look at the main toolbar floating at the bottom of your screen. This toolbar is your command center for the meeting. It has essential functions that you will use throughout your session. Familiarizing yourself with this toolbar is vital because it allows you to manage the meeting effectively. Knowing where to find these tools can save you time and help keep the meeting on track. Now, let's discuss the mute/unmute feature, represented by a microphone icon. Click this to silence your microphone when you are not speaking. This feature is incredibly useful for reducing background noise, especially in larger meetings. You will see the icon change to indicate whether your microphone is active or muted. This small step can greatly improve the quality of your call, keeping distractions at bay. Next, we have the Share Content feature, which is indicated by an upward arrow icon. Click this to show your slides, documents, or your entire screen to the group. Sharing your screen is vital for presentations or collaboration on documents. When you click this, a menu will appear with options for what you can share. This clarity helps everyone stay on the same page, enhancing the meeting's effectiveness. Then there's the chat function, represented by a speech bubble icon. Clicking this opens a text window on the right side of the screen. Here you can message everyone or send private notes. This feature is important for sharing links or comments without interrupting the flow of conversation. It allows for a more interactive and engaging meeting experience. You will appreciate having this tool at your disposal. The participants icon, represented by people, opens a list showing exactly who is in the room. If you are the host, you can right-click names here to mute disruptive guests or pass the host role. Managing participants is crucial for maintaining order during the meeting. You will feel more in control of the discussion with this feature. Next, we have the leave/end function, indicated by a red X circle. Click this to leave the call. If you are the host, you can choose to leave the room open or end it for everyone. This feature is essential as it allows you to conclude the meeting properly. You will see a prompt confirming your choice, ensuring you do not accidentally end the meeting prematurely. If a colleague invited you to a call, you don't even need a Webex account to hop in. Via link, click the URL in your email or chat invite. It will load right inside your web browser or trigger your desktop app. This accessibility is important because it simplifies the process for guests. You want everyone to join easily without unnecessary hurdles. Lastly, if you want to join via meeting number, open the Webex app, click Join a Meeting, type in the 9-digit meeting number from your invite, and type the password if prompted. This method is great if you prefer not to use the link or if it's more convenient for you. You'll find that knowing both options can be beneficial, providing flexibility for your meeting access. With these steps, you are well on your way to mastering Webex Meetings. Enjoy your meetings.